Sudden heavy rain in India. Bill Gates' secret Scopex project? Making fake rain? What's the truth? Cloud seeding. Planes drop silver iodide into clouds. 10 to 15% extra rain. UAE, China do it. Scopex. Harvard geoengineering test. Spraying calcium carbonate in stratosphere to block sun for global cooling. Bill Gates funded since 2010, but it doesn't make rain. India viral claims? Total fake. Delhi NCR rains from natural western disturbances. Scopex Sweden test cancelled in 2021. Real threat? Climate change causing unpredictable weather. So who's controlling the weather?